Welcome, in front of me is a RedMagic 10 Air, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application like this one right over here. Next, navigate to Organize and then scroll down to Manage SIM. This will then show you all the contacts that you have on your SIM card, and by default the device will try to import contacts to your Google account if there is one signed in. You can see they're all grayed out for me because they all exist on this account, so I can tap on the drop down and change it to, for instance, the device itself. If you are not logged into the Google account, you will only have the device as an option, and this will just completely be hidden away from you. Now, we can also deselect contacts that we don't want, and from there, click on Import to import all selected contacts. And when we go back to our contacts list, you should have access to them in the list right here. So, with that being said, hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.